Hey there! Enabling a hotspot on your Android phone allows you to share your internet connection with other devices. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to set up and activate a hotspot quickly and easily. Let's get started. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to enable a hotspot on an Android phone. Open Settings. Look for options like Connections, Network and Internet, or Wireless and Networks depending on your phone model, or search about connections. Tap on Personal Hotspot. Toggle it on. If you want, tap on Personal Hotspot Settings or a similar option to change the network name and secure password. That's it! Now you know how to enable a hotspot on your Android phone. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.